Hi, lovely people. How are you? So, if you read from my description, I am going to be unbagging the November 2018 Yes Oh Yes. So, I have my thoughts on this. Well, if you don't know, this is, I believe, I know I pay $18.98 because you do pay for shipping. So I don't remember offhand how much this is. I believe it's like $14 or $15.99 with a few dollars, I think $3.99 shipping. I'll leave it down in the description box exactly how much it is, but I do know I pay $18.98. It gets taken out of my card. So I used to get this when it first came out, and I think it was like $12.99 when it first came out, but they were new, and I wasn't really like, and I don't like paying for shipping on a lot of these subscriptions. So I had canceled. I figured, well, maybe later on they will get better. So I noticed it was getting better. You were getting pallets and everything, and I said, okay, let me subscribe again. But last month, I didn't realize this, but there was like an eyeshadow. It was like moussey, kind of like where you press it down. It was like squishy, kind of like. And it said $30. I don't know if it was a blush or an eyeshadow. And I'm like, something don't seem right. So somebody had messaged me a video of somebody. I'm not saying any names because I don't know if they want me to say. And they actually went through the prices. And that $30 blush or eyeshadow was really $10. And so I said, let me do a little bit more digging because I knew what we were getting in here. And I looked, and the prices aren't what they say it's going to be. So let me see where the card is. And as we get into that, I will explain more. So the theme for this month is Yes Oh Yes, Girls Can. And we definitely can. And on the back, it tells you what everything is and the prices. And it says the total value is $145. So I'm just going to pull out the first thing that I see, and this is something that's big in here. I can open this up. Let's see. Okay, so this is a palette from Estetica, and there are 4 palettes in here. One is like a contour palette. We got the lip one. Everybody got the same thing here. And this was in question as well. Let me open this up. Okay. All right, so that's what it looks like. And this says, this Estetica Lip Contour Kit palette for $45. Now, I went onto the Estetica website, and it says that this was $40, not $45. But when I did some more digging on, it was Groupon, Amazon, eBay, they all are selling this for $25, not $45. And I don't even know why they put $45 because on the Estetica website it says $40. So it's not really $45. And let me show you what this is. Okay, so you just slide that out. Comes with like a little book that probably tells you like different ways that you can, contour your lips and stuff right there, which is nice. I am really glad that they do put that in there. All right, so let's see what this looks like. All right, so there are the lipsticks, and then you get a couple of the like lip liners, and you get like a little, I think this is a brush if I'm not mistaken. I don't care for stuff like this, but I'm kind of excited that we got this because I do like the colors. I think everybody should have like a cream lipstick. So I'm not knocking it. I'm glad we got it. I will use it. I don't know how many times I'll use it, but I definitely will use this. So that's good. And I'll also put down in the descriptions all the sites where I found this at, and you guys can check it out, the prices for yourself. Okay. The next thing we got is this Unicorn Tears Liquid Highlighter. This is by Beauty Creations. And how much is this? So this is $17. Now I'm not going to open it because I have so many highlighters and liquid highlighters that I know I might try it out and use it once or twice, but it'll just go right into my drawer. And I'm starting to kind of use up some of my makeup I had for a while. So I'll put this in a future giveaway as well, so I don't want to open it and swatch it. And I don't think I only looked up a couple things. But like I said, I will leave everything down below where you can get things cheaper in case you want to get these particular items yourself. Okay. The next thing I got, here was a big one. The reason why I start looking. So this is by Marabella. This is a highlighter. Now Marabella I have tried before. I've tried their blushes and I tried their eyeshadows, like their single eyeshadows, which they're really good. And their prices are a little bit expensive. So this is a Marabella Brilliant Mineral Highlighter, $42. And let me take it out and show you, because when you go on their website, it does say $42, but it says slash and it says $10. So on the website, it's not $42 anymore. This is in this shade Swirling Pearl, and that's what it looks like. And I will swatch this because this looks absolutely beautiful. Reminds me of the Anastasia or Beverly Hill one in Amrezy, which I didn't get. So that's what it looks like right there. Let me swatch it. This is like a golden with a little hint of pink. It's very subtle. I don't even know if you can see that on my hand right there. So it's okay. It's not bad. I don't think I would ever pay $42 for it, but like I said, on the website, it does say it's $10. Okay. Two more things. So we got this crown brush right here, which I love getting tools. And this is a highlighter brush. No, that's not. This is the Deluxe Badger Oval Shadow Brush for $19. Again, I will leave everything down below that tells you the prices that it is selling for. And this is really big to be a oval shadow brush. My eyes are kind of small for these, but I'd probably use this as a highlighter brush. I probably would. But I don't know if it's $19. We shall see. Don't forget to check the description bar. Okay, last but not least, this is a Brow Lift Highlighting Pencil. That's $22. This is by Sourmet. Now, I also have tried setting powder from them, and I didn't care for the setting powder too much. It was okay. That's the only other thing I did try from that brand. And so this is a Brow Lift pencil, and like I said, $22. I don't know. And that's what it looks like. And I do like these for right under your eyebrows, but I don't know about $22. This is like a peachy color here. Oh God, I don't know what happened to my screen. I hope you guys can still see me. Okay, I don't know what just happened, but it just completely on my side took it out, but I see I'm still recording. So it's like peachy right there, but I'll definitely use it. And like I said, I'll check out this price and put it down below. I'll also add everything up that I can find the prices for and let you know what the true value would be, because this is definitely not worth $145. All right, guys, so that is everything. Let me know what you think of this subscription. Do you think it's worth it? That's $18.98. It's almost the price of BoxyCharm. My problem is, if it's $15, $16, it's okay. I just don't like paying for shipping. I mean, I do pay for some subscriptions that I do pay for shipping, but I'm not too fond or keen on it. But I don't like the fact that this company is trying to make these prices look more than what they are. Because really, I mean, that would be awesome if they say, okay, this highlighter is $10 or this or that. Just be honest, because I think what we got is really good things. I think these products are really nice. You know, you don't have to kind of like make it more than what it is all I'm saying. So I'm kind of not trusting, I don't know. I don't even want to get into it. I'm done with my little rant. Like I said, I will leave everything down below. Guys, please like this video. It really does help me out. Subscribe if you haven't already. I have something going on really good in December. Oh, I forgot to tell you what I've been doing in my end of my videos. I tell you what's on my face and tell you a little bit about it. In my one video, my advent calendar, my Target advent calendar, I did say a little bit what's on my eyes. So I will go through it very quickly. I have on my eyes this Juvia's Place palette. This is the original Nubian palette right there. That I really like this palette. I think this is like beginner friendly. I think this is $14 now, so I really do like it. I definitely recommend Juvia's Place. I have the bronzer. I have this Wet n Wild. I only use the bronzer part, which is okay. It's very powdery, but it's only $5. I have on this Too Faced Love Flush, Justify My Love. Now, I do like it. It's not my favorite. It's more like pinky pink, but I do like it. There it is right there. You can't get these anymore, but I'm trying to use up my stash a little bit to products that I haven't really picked up in a while. I have my highlighter, this Jeffree Star and Manny MUA Skin Frost in Eclipse. I'm kind of like about this, but I haven't tried in about 6 months, so I wanted to try it again. And then on my lips, I have the Jeffree Star shade Androgynous. Sorry, you might hear my phone ringing. It's on vibrate. And then on top, I have these Wet n Wilds, which I definitely recommend. This is the Zodiac collection in the shade Libra. This is like a gloss. Love the whole thing. They're only like $2 or $3. I recommend every single shade. All right, guys, that's everything, guys. Don't forget to like this video. I leave videos right here in case you want to watch more of me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.